So today should be kind of fun because I have an ugly Christmas sweater party to go to later on. I have 2 clients today. So this week has been kind of like chill. So I've got 2 clients, an ugly Christmas sweater party, and I'm going to take y'all along with me.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
Tell me how the type of seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen her hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say, excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say, oh. Know you're tryna leave, you miss. I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance, don't worry about it, we just one step. Now with the music is moving too fast. so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You tryna leave? Oh. I see you dance with you. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands.
We spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I could put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Come on me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at woman that can take your spotlight.
If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
So don't give away
My love,
so don't give away
my love.
so don't give away
And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
so don't give away
My love,
so don't give away
my love.
so don't give away
And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
so don't give away
My love,
so don't give away
my love.
so don't give away
And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
so don't give away
My love,
so don't give away
my love.
so don't give away
And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.
All right, so makeup is done. Makeup is done for tonight. It's at 4 o'clock, so that's kind of why I'm like already ready early. My last client is at 3 o'clock, and let me put this right here. I'm actually about to just get dressed now. That way, after I'm done with her lashes, I have a brow wax and lashes after all. Here's the sweater, like I said earlier, or like I was trying to say, but my phone, the storage, I gotta get that fixed. Or Is it gonna force me to get a new phone? But anyway, so I've got 2 more clients left, a brow wax and then a classic fill. It could be a full set. I hope it's not a full set. We'll see. But either way, this particular client does not take me long. But I remember telling her last time she might need a full set this time, so I'm kind of regretting that.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Step spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me.